They're going to search a vehicle as well.
You're gonna for what, sir?
For a fire.
For what reason? What's the reason for suspicion?
Under the
Oh, so yes, sir. I am not consenting to any search.
You're not have to consent.
Excellent. Proceed.
This guy support a vehicle. Just observe what I'm doing, okay?
Do what you like. Make an example of you, Inspector. What an example I shall make of you, Inspector. Oh, you hear about vehicle matching this description.
Open your trunk for me.
You can open it yourself, sir.
Open your trunk for me, please, sir.
I don't wish to, so you can open it just like you open the door. Go ahead.
You're disobeying the command of the constable.
Oh, so you're commanding me to open my property?
You're disobeying the
And if I
command,
disobey, are you going to arrest me if I disobey?
I'm asking you a question, sir.
I'm asking you if I disobey, if I don't open my trunk, will you arrest
Will
me?
you not open the trunk of your vehicle, sir, that you gave us permission to look into, sir?
I didn't give you any permission, sir.
It is recorded there.
Yes, sir. So you can open it if you
Gave us
like.
permission to look in
No,
your
sir. You
vehicle.
open it from here, from the back. I did not.
You gave us permission
I did
to
not.
look in your vehicle.
I did. Wrong somebody I deal with. If you don't know that. Look all you like. You want to look under the vehicle? Expect nothing less than another lawsuit.
Observe swerving to respect, so
Yes.
see if he's the owner of a driver's license.
I do all have a driver's license.
You want
Inspector Brian was correct. He does not need my consent as long as he has reasonable suspicion of an offense, or if he has reasonable cause to suspect that I'm carrying a firearm or ammunition in my vehicle. He does not need my consent. Yes? But it is very clear that when I asked him what is his reason for suspicion, he said, I'm under the Firearm Act. He could not beat me in any court with this piece of evidence that to say that he had reasonable suspicion, because between him and the first officer, that is Constable Miller, they both have two different reasons for their suspicions. His suspicion is under the Firearm Act, and DC Miller he received information about men coming in heavily armed with high-powered weapons. Yes? So it's very important for viewers to pay attention to this. The reason I opened the car, because I'm not going to tell anybody that they should allow an officer to search your vehicle. But the reason I opened my vehicle and opened the door and show him is because I know that under the law, a reasonable person would conclude that based on DC Miller's reason for stopping me, that the minute he's seen my car and don't see men, then his reasonable suspicion is therefore dead at that point. So he has no basis, none of them had any basis, unless somehow they developed some reasonable suspicion at that point that this is the vehicle they're looking for. And it is clear that if one was to go to court, like I've seen in many case laws, the court would say that if you had reason or you received information about a vehicle, it means that there is some special operation that would have been set up. And in a case like this, there's clearly no special operation, because they're pretty much stopping vehicles that do not look like my vehicle. So then it means that there's no special operation that is set up for that particular reason. Yes? They're just out there doing random checks as far as I'm concerned. And maybe that they're doing proper police work, But it is clear that in this instance, like many other instances, the police is abusing their powers and is opening up the state to several lawsuits. What Inspector Brian did right there when he searched me without reasonable suspicion, clearly right there. Because he can't tell me that he had a reason to suspect that I had something on me, because my clothes so tight he can't even see nothing. Yeah? He can't even see a bulge or anything like that. Yes? So it is clear that what he did was an assault on me and battery. Assault and battery. Yes? People don't take that the wrong way. Assault and battery was what he committed, which is an offense which he can be arrested for. Until next time, Don't know the law. Look out for part 3 of this video.